Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove TikTok Studio from bio. So to do that, let's head over to our TikTok application first. Once you are in your TikTok, just head over to your profile or tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. From here, you have to go to your edit profile. So in the bio section, go to add a bio. If you have already added a bio and there is a TikTok Studio in your bio, you can just clear it from here and then tap on save on the top right. And yeah, this is how you can just clear or remove your TikTok Studio from bio. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you don't miss any video of ours in future. So we will see you in the next video.